Review on yet another travel bag. If you know anything about me, you know that I am the bag queen. I love travel bags. So I purchased this bag and I'm really excited about it. It comes in this nifty little closed up box, and it even has, it comes in a nice little bag, all nice and tidy. But this bag is a great carry-on. On the outside here, you have a zipper pocket. Actually, this is the sleeve that goes over your carry-on, and then you have a zipper pocket on top of that, which is really pretty good because now it's utilizing more space, and this is always what is sticking in your face when you're traveling. So now you have a nice little zipper pocket to put stuff in. I love this design, very nautical type. It's quite large, as you can see. So the other thing about it is this section here. Now you could use it for shoes or not. You can put other items in here. Look at this. This opens up. So now you can put your other items in here, whether your shoes or just other bags. And this is like it's insulated, like it's waterproof. So if you put it down on the ground and the ground is wet, your stuff isn't going to get wet. It also comes with some extra bags. But this is really nice. Nice size. And, this bottom is like expandable. It comes with lots of straps. So you put that in there. The inside is lined and it's light colored so you can see what's going on. And then over here you have some pockets. Great. And then yet another zipper pocket over here. Not extremely large, this zipper pocket's just kind of small. But this would make a great weekender bag if you're just going away for a little bit. You also get another bag, and then you get another little like cosmetic bag. This could be a crossbody. Let me get you. You get the straps, and then you have the links here to put them on, and then you could turn this into your crossbody, and this could be your wallet or your cosmetic bag. I'm really liking this particular bag. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be a great summer bag because of the nautical colors. And you also get a strap. And this looks like this strap here is, let me see here. It's a nice pattern. So this would be a shoulder strap as well. I don't usually use these too often, but if I'm doing if I'm going to use it as a carry-on, then that's what I would use it for. If I'm going to go in the car, do a road trip, I probably won't be using these bags, but they're easy, helps with getting it into the hotel and stuff like that. But this is a very nice bag. This bag here, it also mimics what the large bag looks like with the two little pockets on here and a zipper pocket on the inside here. And this would make a nice, quick, easy little crossbody bag and your makeup cosmetic bag here, or wallet. Sometimes I use these as wallets. They're simple and easy. But hey, I like this bag, and that is my honest opinion.